Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you want to make high quality briquettes, you can't just compress chunks of charcoal like this one. You need fine dust like this one to make high quality briquettes. In this video, we will show you step by step how we process raw charcoal or carbonized biomass into fine dust for making high quality briquettes. Let's get started. We start by pouring out a full sack of charcoal or carbonized biomass. We spread it evenly. Now, this step is crucial. If you grind dry charcoal, you will create a massive dust cloud that wastes product and is also terrible for your lungs. We sprinkle a small amount of water over the pile. Just a little bit. We are not soaking it. We are just dampening the surface. Mix it gently to ensure all the dust sticks to the chunks. This eliminates the airborne dust during grinding. Let's take a quick look at the machine. I built this grinder from scratch using improvised materials. The base is a heavy-duty wood to absorb the vibrations, reinforced with a metal frame for stability. It is powered by a standard electric grinder motor. Nothing fancy, just raw torque. The grinding chamber is actually a repurposed metal saucepan. It's tough enough to handle the charcoal. We cut a plastic bucket to act as a feeding tray. We dump the charcoal in here and it guides it straight to the grinding chamber, which falls into the collecting sack standing just below the crushing chamber and attached to the heavy-duty wood. Alright, let's start the machine. When the charcoal is poured into the top tray, look at that. The charcoal particles fall into the grinding chamber, and immediately the grinded particles fall directly down into the sack with position down. This is exactly what we want. It's fine, consistent, and perfectly moist. Because we dumped it at the start, there is no any cloud of dust. Once the sack is full, we are ready for the next step. This dust is the perfect consistency for making high quality briquettes. They will be dense, they will burn longer, and they will produce high heat. No big chunks, no impurities, no chemicals, just pure fuel. And that's how we turn a raw particles of charcoal into premium fine dust. If you found this build interesting, please consider subscribing to my channel. You can also check out my Patreon page for more exclusive content. Thank you for watching and let me know what you think in the comments.